Can veracity still make you a millionaire? In this video, we are going to find out what exactly veracity can do for you and for me. Of course, no financial advice is in this video. I am sharing with you exactly what it is that I have done, what I am doing, and exactly it is where I am at the moment in this coin. And make no mistake, I will continue to dollar cost average. So first of all, thank you very much to all my beautiful subscribers here on the channel. I appreciate every single last one of you. And thank you for growing the community with me here. Guys, if you missed out on the video that I did for you guys, 15 layer 1 mega rich coins, then make sure to go over there and get that. Guys, not gonna waste another second. First of all, let us go and look at when the last time I did a video for us. Well, we had 693 views on that video, 180, 386. So people actually want to know what's going on in veracity. So make sure to go and check it out in the cards that I leave above on this video for you guys. I am going to blow your minds away with veracity. Now, one of the things that I said to you previously on these videos is that veracity is one of the most insane coins that you guys could possibly get into. It has a huge, massive, as you can see here, I'm going to just close the video for you, 1,190x gain from where it is that I previously spoke about this coin to you guys. So let's not waste any time. Veracity currently is right now sitting at about 0.004 cents and is only on 143,000 people's watch list, with a market cap of 43 million, guys. Very, very small right now. Fully diluted 463 million, which means that there is a lot of liquidity and money in the coin as well, which makes it great. The maximum supply is 110 billion and circulating is 10.3 billion. Now, there's a huge discrepancy there. We have spoken about that before. Remember to go and watch one of these other videos. I've mentioned it on this video, this video, this video, and this video over here, about what it is that exactly they do right there. So with that being said, let's continue on the video. If you guys want to click over and make sure that you guys are getting into this project, the exact coin, this is the contract information here. You can get you can add it to your MetaMask. You can get the contract here. Go and check out their ecosystem. It is absolutely phenomenal. Guys, if you were to spend $10 today, you would get yourself 2,381 veracity. If you were to spend $100, you would get 23,800 veracity. If you were to spend $1,000, you would get 238,000 veracity. Now, I am going to say to you guys that even a $100 investment in this coin will absolutely give you some massive gains. But we are going to go and have a look in this video exactly what it is that you're going to need from veracity to become a millionaire in the future and why. How do we get there? Well, first of all, let's make sure that you guys are encouraging me to continue to do cool videos like this for you guys, of course, with a good thumbs up on the video. I actually want to see, at least 50 likes on this video. Make sure to do that right now because I'm going to blow your mind out the water. So the previous high all-time market cap on this coin was only a $550 million, okay? That right now is about a 10x from where we are right here. So that's a very simple, right? 10x takes us to about a 0.4 cents price. Now, that is pretty easy for veracity to do once again in terms of the market cap. Now, that would basically take us only halfway up to the previous all-time high, because the previous all-time high was at 8.6 cents, okay? And we are down 95% from that. We are only up 110% from the all-time low, guys, but that's not a problem because this would be one of the most incredible times to accumulate this coin. Now, what exactly is veracity? Well, veracity is insane because what veracity does is it's an open ledger ecosystem bringing trust and transparency to digital advertising and payments. So you've got the Trezor Wallet where you can go and stake your veracity. I have spoken about it once again on my other videos here. I think this video and this video especially, go and check that out because you can earn yourself 15.5% annually APY. That is crypto passive income for you guys. Now, that is incredible, right? So what is ledger views? Well, basically ledger views will go and proof of view, which is POV, fraud identification technology. So in other words, the videos that are on my channel are my videos, and nobody else can take my channel and use my videos, and you will get paid to view those videos as well. And that's why Veracity exists. So it's been on Forbes, Insider, Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, Cointelegraph, so many. The community is gigantic on Twitter, on Telegram. I follow them on all of these mediums, guys. So it's amazing. Their roadmap is phenomenal. Go and check out their roadmap. I'm not going to talk to you guys about their roadmap today. I'm talking about price, okay? And just remember, guys, the team as well is super important when you're looking into projects. So RJ Mark is the founder of Veracity, a successful entrepreneur and technologist developing exciting and high-growth hardware and software projects since '96 for various platforms, including PC, Mac, Android, and iOS mobile devices. With many patents to his name, he has been managing the development and launch of products into known brand names over 20 years, okay? Go and check him out, guys. David Archer, director and legal counsel, over 30 years experience in litigation, trust law, insane. Financial, Robert Kioch, Sergey Molibog, Dan Hodgson, Olena. They've got a team, guys. This is where you want to come and have a look at their team properly and go see who they are, what they do, and how they help this community grow. Now, with that being said, guys, what do you believe Veracity could end up being? Because if I said Veracity could essentially get us to a 1,190x, okay, what would that give us from today's price? Now, remember, that was on that video back then, okay, times 0.00419 would equal what? A $4.98 price on Veracity. Do you guys think Veracity could hit that? Down below, according to my previous video, that was this video down here, guys. Go check it out. I definitely believe that it is a huge possibility, and that brings me back to the, let's just round it off to a $5 price. But if we go back to Veracity and we're coming here to this coin and seeing the potential, what does that do for the market cap? Now, let's just clear all of this. Let us go 1,190 times, let's just call it 43 million right now. 43 million. That's 4.3. That's 43 million. Okay. That will give us a $511 billion market cap, which is insane, guys. 511 billion. I think Veracity could hit that, especially considering how big YouTube is and how big Vimeo is and how big all of these live streaming channels are, which will essentially use the Veracity blockchain, okay, to basically take, so by 2025, advertisers' total loss to ad fraud could skyrocket to 100 billion. So we're saying it could easily reach 100 billion. They would spend that amount of money, okay, to actually get the views back to the channel, which would essentially save the channel and essentially bring all the views back to the channel, verify the views, and essentially help bring that capital into Veracity so that it helps to protect anti-fraud on the system. Now, guys, I have said to you guys previously, I still hold my Veracity coins. We are below the 50 moving average up here. We are below the 200 moving average, which is the red line. And essentially what you can see is there has been a golden cross. Now, there is something so fundamentally important I have to show you on this chart. I haven't touched this chart for some time now, since I last did the last video, which was when? 12th of June, okay? So that is more than a month and a half ago that I did a video, which was basically back here when I was preparing to have that video done. Now you can see here, I didn't plan for that because that wasn't even there, okay? Because remember, these are lagging indicators. Now this line here that I drew for you back then already had a cross here, which was a death cross in this moment. And I'm now going to zoom out for you guys, and I want to go and show you that this line has also tapped this death cross right here, okay? Which essentially brought the price way below this level. But I want to go and show you something, guys, because as scary and as doom and gloom as that is for Veracity, I need to go and show you the bigger picture in what is going on right now, because right now is we have officially broken out of that time frame right here, tried to test the 200 moving average. We failed and we have not yet broken below this low, which essentially, if I had to bring out a line here for us, that would give us that line right there. Now, that is support, and it is creating higher lows essentially and higher highs also, even though it is in a range between these two levels, as you would see here on, I would say, the horizontal ray here and another horizontal ray here. So we are ranging in between those two levels essentially. Okay, I'm going to take this away for now. Okay, and what I would like to see from this price action here is a continuation of the move up. We have come to a point where the RSI is now pulling up to the upside. This is, of course, on the daily time frame. We are starting to find some support here. So are we getting enough pressure and momentum? Definitely to break the red 50 moving average. No problem. I think that will be easy. The 200 is what is going to be the challenge to get above. But guys, once we break up above the 200, I just want to go and show you previously what this has done once it has broken up above the 200. Okay. And we have had golden crosses essentially on this coin. This coin literally has jumped through space. Okay, I can't even tell you. Look at this level of insane pump. Look at the golden cross here. Insane pump. So let us go and have a very quick squiz as to from this golden cross point to the top there, we made a 9,138% gain. Okay, in a very small 51 days, okay, on veracity. Then we did a very similar move from our golden cross, because now our golden cross was essentially the breakout. You can see the breakout was here, but the golden cross only came here, all right, which means we retested, almost got back to that level, retested the 200, found some support, and essentially broke up to the top side, making a crazy gain of 320% within a 55-day period. So it seems that veracity would pump like this in a 55-day period time frame, which would be essentially 2 months. Okay, now I just want to go and show you how suppressed and how oversold we are, especially on the weekly and the monthly time frame for veracity. Now on the weekly time frame for veracity, we're actually pulling to the downside. Okay, and you can see that we have met huge resistance at the 50 at this level, okay, which could bring us down a little bit more, maybe a little bit more back down to this level of support here at around the 0.003 cents level, which is okay. All right, I would still dollar cost average into the position, earn and accumulate 15.5% and wait for this coin to absolutely pump to the moon. Guys, there is no doubt that this coin will one day again reach its all-time high. And if you were to take a trade from here to the all-time high, that would give you a good 1,800% pump just to the all-time high, let alone to the $5 price that I am calling on this coin one day in the future. I'm not saying it will do it in the next bull run, but I definitely feel like it will do it in at least the next 2 bull runs. That would give us a 107,000% gain. Now, guys, with all the ludicrous gains that come into coins that are like meme coins and that kind of stuff, this coin has utility. This coin has huge power backed behind it to help the fraud that is happening across YouTube and across the internet, essentially for viewing channels and getting, all of that stuff out there. So this coin for me, guys, without a doubt, could essentially hit that $5 level, which could end up being a 1,190x gain on this coin, which would take us to about $511,700,000,000 on this coin. In fact, sorry, how many zeros is here? Let's check this out together. Okay, so 3 zeros plus another 3 zeros. So that's 70 million. Okay, that's 70 million. That's 170 million. So that's only a $51 billion market cap. So $51 billion market cap, guys. Wow. I'm pretty confident it could do that. A $51 billion market cap is pretty reasonable, especially considering that you have other projects up here at the moment. And I could just show you guys something, because right now, BNB itself only has $37 billion in market cap, all right? But when we reach the next level of this market cap, in my personal view, it could be easily 10 to 12 trillion dollars in the next bull cycle. Okay, a 10x in the entire crypto market cap. A 10x for Bitcoin alone would be a $5.6 trillion market cap for itself, a $2.2 trillion market cap for them, a $370 billion market cap for BNB. So why could Verasity not actually hit with it being at the, where are we on the market cap? 441. This is a micro cap gem, guys. Insane, all right? I'd like to make sure that we understand what that means for us. All right. So in order for us to become a millionaire in Verasity, all right, essentially we're saying $1 million. So that's 100,000, 1 million, okay? $1 million. And we're saying Verasity to hit $5. All right. So divide that by $5 per coin. All right. Will give us 200,000 coins. When it reaches a $51 billion market cap, all right, essentially you would be looking at 200,000 coins. Now, I want to show you guys something. What do you think 200,000 Verasity coins looks like? 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000 coins. That looks like about $840 today to convert into 1 million in the future. Do you guys have $840 to invest? I would love to know what my community has invested in Verasity. I would love to hear. What do your bags look like? My personal accumulation goal is 1 million Verasity, okay? But I would like to say to you right now that I currently have about 160,000 Verasity. So I'm almost at this 200,000 mark. All right. But my personal accumulation goal, as I said, is 1 million Verasity. So guys, I love you all. And I hope that you found this information powerful, solid. And if you did, make sure to do what you need to do to the channel to encourage more content like this for you guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. And we will see you. $50 billion. That would put it up into the 100 top 100 coins, no problem. I would love to know what you guys think what Verasity could do down below. If you guys want to trade Verasity, then make sure to use my links down below that I have for you. You will be able to get Verasity, and by watching these videos that I've previously shown you guys, tagged up in the pin in the cards above, then make sure you guys click these links and these videos in the cards above so that you guys can go and get the full information on these coins. And thanks guys for being here on the channel. I appreciate every single last one of you. Remember, we want to smash through 100 likes, 50 likes on this video. And definitely if you are watching this and have not yet subscribed, then make sure to come subscribe to the channel. Thanks for being here, you blessed, beautiful souls. We will see you on the next one. And make sure to watch this one because it was even better than this one.